Solution of quadratic equation by factorization. If we have given the equation 6x square minus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0 and we have to solve this equation, means we have to find the values of x over here. Okay, now we have to factorize this number. Here 6 into 4, that is 6 into 4 will be 24, means what we have to do here, we have to take multiplication of this coefficient of x square and this constant term. Multiplication of this will be plus 24. Now we have to divide or factorize this plus 24 into two parts such that their sum will be minus 11, that is coefficient of x, you can see here, and their product will be plus 24. Their product will be plus 24. The factors of this is 8 and 3, but we have to find two factors such that their sum will be minus 11. Therefore, we have to take this as minus 8 and minus 3. You can see here minus 8 minus 3, sum is minus 11, and minus 8 into minus 3, their product will be plus 24. Therefore, we have to divide this minus 11 into two factors such that you can see 6x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Next, we have to take common any number from these two terms and do like this. Okay. Now, here you can see 2 is common and x is also common. Now, if 2x is common, then here 3 will be remaining term, minus if 2x is common, then it will be 3x is remaining, 3x minus 4. Now you can see here there is no any common number between these two terms. Therefore, we'll take minus 1 over here. Then if minus 1 is common, then this sign will get changed, that is 3x, this plus 4 becomes minus 4, it is equal to 0. Now you can see here this 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 is common in this equation, so we will take common 3x minus 4. Then remaining term is in another bracket, that is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to find values of x. Therefore, we have to separate these terms like this. 3x minus, either 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3x is equal to plus 4, this minus 4 becomes plus 4 on other side. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 3. This is our first value. Similarly, we can solve this equation like this. 2x is equal to, this minus 1 becomes plus 1 on another side. Then x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, these are two values or solutions of this equation. Thank you.